Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy AC, and I am back with another video. This time it's gonna be a little bit different. So I just recently purchased my first property by myself in Akron, Ohio, and I'm actually going to check out another property today. It's a duplex. I believe it has 2 beds, 1 bath on each side. So a total of 4.2 for the whole property. They want 80 grand for it. It'll probably be worth around 150-ish when it's all said and done. After the rehab, and I believe the rehab only needs about $30,000 into it, but I'm gonna go check it out. And I just want to bring you guys along. So it's a little bit different than what you're used to, but I wanted to start introducing, some of the investments I'm looking at, how I'm assessing them, what I'm looking for, things of that nature. So just go ahead and enjoy. Right now I'm in Cleveland, Ohio, and I got to drive down to Akron to check out the property. So just go ahead and enjoy the journey. We're gonna be rolling. I don't got my selfie stick, so camera's a little close, a little wobbly, but it's all good. We still gonna get the content. We still gonna get some game, some value, and yeah, we're gonna keep it moving. Yo guys, so I wanted to pop on here real quick. I'm about 10 minutes from the property that I'm checking out. And I'm looking to purchase this from one of my good friends, Admir Beck. They're doing a lot of great things in the real estate space. And he's actually showing this property to another potential buyer. But Admir couldn't make it. So he sent me in there to pretty much act like I'm showing the house to the potential buyer. But I've never been to this house. I've never seen it outside of the pictures. But just to be able to maintain, a good buyer in case I'm not the buyer for him, we're not going to go in there and, act like I'm going to purchase the home. I'm going to just go in there, act like I'm showing the home off to this other potential buyer. But I'm going to be looking at the property as well. So I may not be able to talk as much about what I'm looking for in the property while I'm inside, but I still want to show you guys the property, the space. Even if I don't buy it, I want you guys to look at kind of what I'm looking for. And I'm fairly new into the real estate space. I've did some group purchases before in the Cleveland area. Like I said, I just bought my first property in July, which is a whole nother story for a whole nother video. And now I'm looking at this one that, could potentially be my second property I purchased on my own. So like I said, Admir is asking for 80 grand. I believe it's gonna take about 30 grand to get it where it needs to be. I looked at some comps yesterday. There's not too many in the area, which doesn't really excite me because I like to see, what I'm getting myself into prior. But it could be a potential way to potentially create a comp and be able to set a comp, should I say. And for you guys that's not into real estate at all, comp is just a comparable property. So any property that's in a mile radius that's sold recently, recent meaning the past 3 months, you can pretty much base the value of your home off of the ones that's recently sold, right? Because those are the ones that's close to you, that's in the market. So that's what I mean by a comp. I'm looking at this property to at least be worth 140,000 ish. I like how, it's a duplex. It can rent for about 800 bucks a side. So I like that about it. I think that'll be some good cash flow considering. But like I said, what I don't like about it is just the comps really aren't there to be able to tell me exactly what I'm getting myself into. So that's something I'll discuss with Admir on the back end of things after I get done looking at the property, seeing if this is something I really want to get myself into. But I want to give you guys a heads up of just what we're walking into and why the next part of the video of me inside of the property may not be like, a formal tutorial, we'll call it, of me just going and showing you guys exactly what's going on with the property, because I have to kind of be a little discreet doing this, which I don't mind as long as I get to see it and see everything for myself for what it is. That's pretty much what I'm there for. Some of the things, right, because we didn't really talk about it for people that's that just don't know anything about real estate investing. So obviously, I'm looking to use private money or even hard money to purchase this property, meaning I'm buying it on credit. I'm looking to add value into it by fixing it up and rehabbing it. And then after that, I'm gonna look to refinance out of it, cash out refi. Hopefully I'll be able to make a little bit of money off of it once I refinance. Meaning when I refinance, I can pay off the loan that I took on it from the private or hard money. And then I'll be able to put a couple dollars in my pocket. So that's the goal. If I can cash out refi and the numbers make sense, and I guess I could do a video breaking down the numbers, but there's other videos of real estate gurus who break down, you know, what you're looking for as far as when you're purchasing, when you're trying to refinance out, if it makes sense for a rental or if it's just a flip. So I'm looking to keep this one. Duplex, like I said, can rent for about $800 on each side, with a 140, call it $130,000 mortgage on it. My payments right now may be, let's call it $1,200 with the interest rates kind of being a little higher. Call it $1,200 a month. Hopefully not even that much, but like I said, if I get $1,600 on it, that's $400 right there, and that'll put me in a good spot. So in the next clip, I'm gonna be pulling up to the property and we're gonna be walking through the property together. So let's do it. And I believe that, so we should be able to see both lower and bottom units. So I don't believe that dog's a killer. I know the top one is vacant.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yep, and I'm not sure what the current tenant is paying here. I believe it's under though, maybe $700. Maybe I think they said.
7.
Maybe, yeah. Don't quote me on it.
Down this area, I see it.
Mm-hmm. So should we go 2-1 each one?
You know, old, but they took care of it.
Oh man. Yeah. Yep. Utilities are separated.
And the water too?
I believe the water's separated. I know the electric was separated. And I believe the basement is split as well. So, because there's this half of it and there's the other half. Water tank. Yep. So utilities are split.
Water tank and one over there?
Yeah, it was one over there as well. There we go. Get a little light in here.
Yeah, the water 1 meter.
Yeah, 1 water meter.
Yeah. It's 1 water meter. So, you know, for the landlord pays the water then, or? No, I don't see a water meter here except on the other side.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It looks like just one.
Yeah.
That looked like they replaced this wall here.
Yeah. They even put a beam over there. See that?
Yeah.
All right, so you've seen the other side wall was replaced. That one hasn't been, but it's not too bad of shape. Split electric, 1 water meter. I believe that probably just goes right into the other side. They tried to split the basements.
Like it has a foundation problem, huh?
Yeah.
If you stand here, you will see the whole ceiling.
Ah,
See, that's the benefit short, guys.
yeah, you see that?
Basement.
I didn't even see that thing hanging there. Yeah.
I felt them. That's
You know what?
Yeah.
Looks like it's coming off of that. In the little corner.
Yeah, I see it. That's yeah, that one. If you stand here, you will see it.
Like that. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Like it's separated from here.
Hello. Yeah, I see the major over there. That looks fine. The roof has a problem. You see how it sags the
Oh,
trusses?
yeah. Yep.
It's a big thing.
Yeah.
Those two large issues. So,
Anything else could be fucking.
yeah, everything
easily
else,
handled.
we handle everything. We remodel, no problem. But when you see that much trusses problem with the roof and foundation, that's a
People
major.
fucking we had dealt with that at another house in Bath.
Yeah.
Scared a dude away. He was gonna buy it cash.
Yeah,
So we ended up having to.
we have
fix
to rip it all apart and put a new roof, and it costs.
How much you think that'll cost us?
Oh my god, it cost me like 22,000. We replaced all the trusses and the shingles, but it has a broken trusses
Truss.
on top.
Yeah. A few of them.
That's why it is the ridge events already gone, because when they broke, it pop out and the wind will blow them away.
Mm-hmm. I see it.
Yeah.